Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Henson and welcome to my course, Performing Basic Search in Splunk. I'm a data engineering advocate in the global data analytics community. Splunk is one of the most popular tools for searching in the enterprise, and with machine-generated data continuing to double every 2 years, it will continue to be the king of machine-generated search. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include navigating the Splunk Search interface, building queries using the Search Processing Language, understanding how to use field searches in Splunk, and creating Splunk lookups and using other Splunk commands. By the end of this course, you'll know the basic building blocks of Splunk searches. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with installing and configuring Splunk Enterprise. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into Splunk with courses on analyzing machine data with Splunk, building visualizations and reporting in Splunk, and generating tailored searches in Splunk. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to search in Splunk with Performing Basic Search in Splunk course here at Pluralsight.